Lyra, grandmother's grid. The last human mind uncorrupted by data, anime, cinematic illustration, cyber Ethiopian futurism, neon city, Blade Runner realism, Pixdrone, route detected, probability of interception, 72%. Lyra, let's make it 0. Same style, SFX, Electrocom intensifies. Pix, unauthorized path flagged, Lyra, story of my life. Same style, Lyra shouting, let's fly, little machine. Pix, that's a terrible idea. Same style, wide chase shot, a black grav bike emerges, Rays in pursuit, neon trails converging, Rays radio. Unauthorized courier detected, surrender your cargo. Lyra, no delivery delay today. Same style close-up, Lyra's cybernetic eye reflex, Rays' silhouette approaching fast. SFX, pulse beeps, sync with heartbeat. Lyra, he's faster than expected. Same style, one Rays, you can't outrun the syndicate. Lyra, then I'll outthink it. Same style explosion behind, plasma round. Lyra twists, Mida, Emba's rain, in slow motion. SFX. Plasma bursts, Pix. You're officially insane. Lyra, took you long enough to notice. Same style, wide shot. Lyra dives into the lower grid, decaying undercity drenched in acid rain, SFX thunder, and static hum. Lyra, down here, every shadow watches. Same style landing shot. She skids to a stop. Red lights flicker. Zone 9. Steam rizzes around. Pix, radiation level, unhealthy. Lyra, so is life. Same style. Interior shot. Dr. Ilara's lab. Walls etched with glowing GS code glyphs. Hybrid of ancient and futuristic. Ilara, Yulit, Lada. Lada, traffic. Plasma. A psycho with a badge. Same style. Ilara opens containment pod holding a small glowing chip. Ilara, this chip carries your grandmother's memory. Don't drop it. Lyra, wouldn't dream of it. Same style. Door breach. Silhouette of Rays appears. Rain dripping from his armor. Rays. End of the line. Kurierara. Yauri. Too late. Same style Lyra hides. Chip in her wrist slot. Blood red lights sealing the port. SFX. Click of name. Lyra, good luck finding it. Same style. Rays steps forward. His voice trembles under the helmet. Rays, you don't know what that chip can do. Ilara, neither do you. Same style reaction. Lyra glances at Ilara. Tension in her eyes. Lyra whisper, he's not here to arrest us. He's afraid. Same style. Rays removes helmet, human, scarred, weary. Lyra, you're human. Rays, half, the rest, rebuilt by the wolves. Same style. Holographic walls shift ancient AI imagery, chained code, spirits flicker. Ilara, the syndicate enslaved the first. A is your wolves. Rays, and I was their hound. Same style, triangular shot composition, Illyra between them. Red and blue, lighting, divide the room. Lyra, you can still choose. Rays. Rays. Choices end when the code decides. Same style. Drones breach window, searchlights pierce lab fog, SFX sirens, glass shatter. Ilara, they found us. Same style. Lyra grabs Ilara's arm, activates exit glyph. Lyra, we run now. Raise tanto go. I'll cover you. Same style, Lara looks back. Raise, aims, weapon at incoming drones. Ilara, he's buying time. Lyra, then we don't waste it. Same style. Lyra and Alara sprint through corridor, lights flickering red, picks, tracking exit routes, recalculating. You're surrounded. Lyra, not yet. Same style, raise fires. EMP blast, wipes drones. His body flickers from overload SFX EMP pulse. Raise static, red, run. Same style wide, alley shot. Lyra and Alara vanish into neon rain, crimson light trailing. Lyra VO. They called me Little Red, but I carry more than stories now. Same style. Overhead drone view. Crimson trail pulsing like a heartbeat through the dark undercity. SFX. Fading sirens. Soft hum. Pix VO. Destination. Uncertain. Same style.